Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. I don't make no mistakes. I'm coming from behind, and there ain't no one taking my place. Listen, I took some yeah. Tell it now I need a burn. Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. I don't make no mistakes. I'm coming from behind. There ain't no one taking my place. Listen, I've taken some L's. That means I lived and I learned. Now I got the money to burn. Why would I throw it? I got in my bag. Know the stars for the corner now. I don't know what to talk about. School saying back to 3-0 and 3-0. You remember them? Look at him, I see a lot of eyes. And this nothing's getting up the line. As soon as I hit my fixed rise, yo, wish I got disqualified. Why? Cause I've been in my bag. They looked in the AU. I'm afraid you just can boost my ass. When I rap, it's a temperature class. Look. Got every element stacked. I'm bringing real entity back. Got everything that my enemies lack. I do not care if you're miles away. Get up and grind and wave. Big on the line, say it. And chasing your dreams. It's got an expired date. This cat. 6 figures I just found on my tax. I got to put on my tab. Just getting started, so why would I throw in the towel? Just got in my bag. I don't make no mistakes. I'm coming from behind, and there ain't no one taking my place. Listen, I put this in. Yeah. I live in the burden. Now I got the money to burn. Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. I don't make no mistakes. I'm coming from behind, and I'm taking my place. Listen, I've taken some L's. That means I lived and I learned. Now I got the money to burn. Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. Those deals I ain't playing with. Home bills I ain't clean break. So many doors been opening up like the hotel. I've been staying main street with the bigger lights. Mainframe the bigger than the lights. Drones get draws, DPs, brand central like figure lane. Yeah, cause I'm in the way. Ahead of my crews like Tony Stark when under the stool. I'm yo and rock, yo better behave. Don't come at me without the etiquette. If you ain't writing the check, I'm addicted to the deal. And I'm the y'all need to chill. Success is a body and I gotta sleep and build. The hard drive is gon' need a will. Tell my doubters please be for real. Won't be long till I see a meal. Tell a major they can keep a deal. Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. I don't make no mistakes. I'm coming from behind, and there ain't no one taking my place. Listen, yeah. That means I live and I burn. Now I got the money to burn. Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. I don't make no mistakes. There ain't no one taking my place. Listen, I've taken some L's. That means I lived and I learned. Now I got the money to burn. Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag.